Hello everybody, welcome to your lesson. Today we will check the differences between present simple and present continuous. So let's go. What's present simple? Okay, it's the tense when an activity people do on everyday basis are situations that normally happen. For example, I go to school. My mom prepares lunch. My dad goes to school. My sister watches videos. I ride my bicycle to school. So these are everyday situations, things that normally happen. And remember, for present simple, we're going to respect the third person rule. La regla de la tercera persona dice que cuando hablo de he, she or it, el verbo debe de llevar una S. So, I go to school, but my mom prepares lunch. Okay, and what about present continuous? Present continuous talks about an activity that is happening right now, or people do in a specific moment. For example, in this moment, I am walking to school. My mom is preparing lunch. My dad is driving to work. My sister is watching videos. The teacher is explaining a new topic in this moment. So, lo más importante del presente continuo es que es algo que está sucediendo en este momento. Las reglas del presente continuo es que vamos a utilizar el verbo to be que le corresponde a cada sujeto. I am, he, she, it, is, we, you, they, are, y al verbo principal le vamos a agregar ing. So, we're going to check for more examples. Vamos a hacer el llenado de este documento. Vamos a combinar el presente con el presente continuo. Así que aquí vamos. This is Mrs. White. She is a primary school teacher. She teaches English, maths, and geography. At the moment, en este momento, she is teaching maths. She lives in London and she is married to Georges, who is French. They have 3 children. They all love animals, but they don't have any pets because they live in an apartment. Mrs. White speaks French as well as English, but she doesn't teach it. Okay, utilizamos solamente presente continuo cuando estamos hablando de algo que sucede en el momento. More examples. Arnold doesn't like shopping, but he loves hanging out with friends. They usually go to the local park where they play football or basketball. Today, esto está pasando ahora. Today, however, Arnold is not playing football or basketball. He is skateboarding. Now it's your turn. Copia y completa este texto en la plataforma. Copy and complete this text in your platform. So remember to follow the rules of present simple and present continuous. And remember, present continuous is something that is happening in this moment. That's all for today. Bye-bye.